Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Beauty by AJ and today's video is going to be a review slash tutorial of this face brush that I was sent. It is from Duvolle Brands Incorporated. I hope I am pronouncing that right. So if you would like to see this video, make sure you keep on watching. And if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. This product that I received is from Duvolle Brands Incorporated, and I was sent this package. It is a face brush system, and it comes with the handheld device and the 4 brushes that it comes with. So the 4 accessories that it comes with are a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. So you literally have an accessory for every part of your body, which is great. And it's water resistant, so you can actually use it in the shower. And this is my first time opening it, so you guys will see my real reaction. So this is how it comes. And I do just want to say that the lady that contacted me, her name is Sharon, I believe. She was super nice and she was very professional, and she made sure I got what I needed, and she sent the product really fast. So the shipping is really quick. So this is the instructions, and it just says like how to use it, I guess, which can't be too hard. It doesn't take a rocket scientist, right? Wow. So this is the brush. It's pretty big, actually. I like how the size of it. I've had some mini ones before. Oh, you probably can't see it because of this white background, but this is what it looks like. It's about the size of my hand, honestly. And this is what it looks like with no brush on it. So I was being a dummy and I didn't read. This takes batteries, and I knew that. I just didn't think that it didn't come with batteries. So it comes with batteries, so I'm gonna have to go find 4 AA batteries, and I'll be back once I find that. So I found 4 AA batteries. You know, I just had to steal some out the remote. I'll put them back. And now the brush works. So this top button that has like an eye symbol is on, and then O is off. So I'm going to go ahead and wet my face and put the Cetaphil on it, and then I'm going to use the brush. So stay right there. Be right back. I'm just going to rub that on my face. And then now that it's on there good, going to use the brush. It's not too rough, but I do feel like it's definitely exfoliating my skin, something I haven't had in a while. So to review this product feels very durable and very sturdy. I have already had a face brush before, you know, like some years ago, and I got it from Amazon. It was like $20, and it just felt like plastic. It felt like a toy. It felt like it was going to break at any second. If I dropped it, it was going to be gone. But this brush, it really feels like it's going to last me a long time, and it just feels like it's made out of a good quality material. And the brushes and all of the bristles feel very nice, and they don't feel like they're going to tear my skin or, you know, they don't feel like they're going to irritate my skin. I don't think I have sensitive skin, but it is kind of sensitive. So I wouldn't tell you something that like, oh, this brush is so soft, and it really feels like you're rubbing a Brillo pad on your face. Now, like these brushes are really soft, but they are, you know, they're soft, but they have enough roughness to it to exfoliate, if that makes sense. So I definitely think that this brush is worth it. It does retail for $95, but before you say who's paying that, they did give me a discount for all of my for all the people viewing this. So they gave me a 70% off referral link, which will be in my description box, so just click down below. and you can see about this product. I think with the 70% off, you get the brush for $28.50. So it's $28.50. So if you're worried about spending $95, I definitely think $28.50 is a lot more safe, and you'll feel a little more secure in your decision. So definitely click the link, and I hope you enjoy this product as much as I have. I mean, I used it once and my skin feels really soft and like good. Like, it feels smooth. It feels like a baby's butt. Not that I know what that feels like, but it feels really soft. So I definitely think that this product is worth it. And go ahead and go get you one. If you have any, underlying questions, comments, concerns about anything, about customer service, about, how long it took to ship, all of that, you can leave it down below and I will get to you. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumb up. And if you have not already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and support your girl, need all the subscribers I can get. And that is all I have for you. Oh, and if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video, because sometimes I do just take a little week off. So just hit that so you can know when I do upload. But I think that's all I have for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my video next Friday.